In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize pages in Confluence Cloud. By the end, you'll know how to tidy up your page tree, create a clear hierarchy with nested pages, and move pages between spaces without losing track of your content. First, open Confluence in your browser and sign in. From the home screen, head to the space where your pages live. You can find your spaces in the sidebar or by using search. Click your space to open it. On the left, you'll see the page tree. This is the outline of all pages in that space, showing how your content is structured. Keeping this tree organized makes it much easier for teammates to find what they need. To create structure, nest related pages under a parent. In the page tree, click and hold the page you want to move, then drag and drop it directly on top of the page that should become its parent. When you release, your page becomes a child of that parent. This builds a clear hierarchy and keeps topics grouped together. Remember, if a page you move already has its own children, those child pages move with it, so it's a quick way to reorganize entire sections. If you can't move a page, you may not have permission to edit that part of the space. Once you have nested pages, use the small arrow icon next to a parent page to show or hide its children. Collapsing long sections keeps the sidebar clean and reduces visual clutter, especially in busy spaces. Expand them again anytime to jump into a specific child page. If you need to move a page to a different space, open the page first so its toolbar appears. In the top right, select More Actions, the three-dot menu, and choose Move. In the Move dialog, select the destination space, verify you're sending it to the correct place, then click Move to confirm. You'll need permission to add pages in the destination space. Also, keep in mind that moving a page can affect how teammates find it. It's a good idea to let stakeholders know when you relocate important content and quickly review any links or references to ensure everything still points to the right spot. And that's it. Open your space, nest pages with a simple drag and drop, collapse or expand sections with the arrow icon, and move pages across spaces using the More Actions menu and Move. With a few thoughtful adjustments, your Confluence space will be cleaner, faster to navigate, and easier for everyone to use.